change in like 2 minutes. Yeah, they're gonna need sandbags.
Oh shit.
Alright, so suspension just works. You guys have insurance, right?